Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Products liability. Products liability occurs when manufacturer supplies a defective product or instrument to the doctor or hospital, and on using this defective product the damage is caused to the patient. So that is product liability. 1. If there is defective instrument. Defective instrument. Here, the doctor has to prove that the manufacturer failed to comply to the standards of designing, manufacturing, packing of the products, or giving adequate information or instructions to the product. If the product or instrument has worked well in the previous situations, then it is a proof that the product is not defective at the time of its supply. Product liability is applicable only to the newly purchased products. Defective drug. Manufacturer is held responsible for adulteration or contamination or faulty labeling of a drug. If it is the duty of the manufacturer to supply each and every detail of the drug to the doctor. Based on all the information given by the manufacturer, the doctor should choose which drug is best for which patient.
thank you and thank you for watching.